Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said, and I'm so glad you're here. I'm rocking a side pony for fun and games. I feel completely ridiculous, but I saw someone rocking a side pony. I was like, I was alive in the 80s. I didn't ever do a side pony in the 80s, but here I am in the 2020s, and I'm doing a side pony. And so there it is. So what do you think? My bangs desperately need to be trimmed, but the good news is, as I've told you, my hairdresser has been sick with the COVID. She is better, and she's out of quarantine, and she's doing fantastic. And I'm so happy for her and for myself, because I want her well and happy. And then I'm always happy when she can do my hair. So hopefully a bang trim in the next couple weeks would be great. I need a bobby pin, but I don't have any bobby pins. That's because I don't believe I deserve bobby pins. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm having a good day, because if you guys remember my palette lovers tag, the number one question was a palette that you regretted not buying, and I said it was the Juicy Olive palette from Give Me Glow. The same day that I posted that video, I got an email from Give Me Glow saying this was in stock. This was in stock, and I got it before it sold out. I didn't hesitate. I didn't consider my financial status. I just said, I have to have it. And you're going to say, now Rhonda, we've heard you say how much you love this palette, which you have now heard me say. And we're questioning, Rhonda. We're questioning your mental health. We're questioning your taste in makeup. We need to see what's on the inside of this palette and some swatches. I'm glad that I can read my audience so well. There it is. Give Me Glow. Look at those olive colors. It's of course sold out again, but my God, I'm just so happy. Pigmented for the gods. Look at that. I'm probably gonna have to use some other shadows with it, or maybe I'll just try like an all green look. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how to go about using this palette. It's just so pretty. I'm kind of intimidated. Like, I finally have it. Oh, look at that. It is all the good olive colors. And it's actually kind of hard to wipe off because it's so pigmented. And it was like $30, $34, something like that. And there was like $8.75 in shipping. So it was like, it ended up being like $40. Just there's about. And it's so pretty. And I have some concealer down as my base. I'm trying to figure out, and I know I should have figured this out before I started the video, but I kind of just go off the seat of my pants. So I'm going to get the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding palette, and I've upgraded my brushes. I got rid of the hodgepodge of brushes, and I've got it down to just a few fancy brushes now. A few have held over from my previous days of brushes, but for the most part they're all fancy. And this is butterscotch that I'm putting on my crease right now. And I'm putting on my lid. And it is a shimmer, but I don't care about shimmers being in creases. Let's put it all over. I keep putting it in my hair. So we've got a little bit of a base there. I'm going to keep this nearby in case I want some mild browns or something. It's very mild. I'm going to start on the outside corner with dry martini. And I'm going to use this new Luxie brush. Like, I've got a mix of Luxie and Scott Barnes and It Cosmetics brushes for the most part. And the pigment is totally there. Oh, so beautiful. And it buffs out really nice. It blends so well. So pretty. You just wait, St. Patrick's Day. You just wait. I got you covered. This just blends out so nicely. Put a little bit more there. And just a little bit more on the lid there. All right. This brand new brush is going to need a good cleaning at the end of this for shizzle and nizzle. Now I'm going to go into Dirty Martini. I can't wait to put the shimmers on. Oh, that is the perfect, that just looks so perfect. I mean, I always heard these were good quality, but now I know. And like a lot of the eyeshadow palettes on the Gimme Glow website are sold out. There, you can make your own palettes and they have lots of singles, but they didn't have these exact colors, you know, because I would have made my own palette if I could have. It's just so gorgeous. A little more emerald of a, I keep trying to make each side the same, but it's really difficult. Let me get back into Dry Martini. Okay, very nice indeed. It doesn't look good with this shirt. For some reason I thought an olive would look great with this new shirt that I got. It's a Chinese shirt and the size actually fits me, because I was terrified once I figured out that I ordered a Chinese shirt, because if you guys have ever ordered any clothes from China, you know that their sizes are kind of like, you wish you were this size. Like you really wish that you were a tiny girl. But the 3X doesn't mean 3X. The extra large means like small. So you have to up your sizes each time with Chinese stuff. I'm gonna go onto my lid with some shimmer. I can't decide between shaken, not stirred, and garnish. I'm going to go shaken, not stirred. It is so gorgeous. Picked up great on the brush. Oh shit, that's not what I wanted. I had too much dark green on my lid, so it's not showing as a shimmer. Well, it's okay. I've got some gold that I can put in place. I'm going to go into the darkest color cocktails, the same brush. And just deepen the outer corner. Took my eyes a second just to focus. Looks so amazing. I don't know if I really needed that base color, but it's there. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm in love with a lady wrestler. They say the snaky women do it better. That's from an old Mojo Nixon song, and he's a weirdo that lives in Ohio. But he was kind of popular on MTV once upon a time. I'm going to go back into Dry Martini again, real lightly. And just the most light touch, brush it up towards the brow. Just the lightest touch with it. Just to carry the green, the soft green up. So pretty. Now I'm going to get a blending brush and blend this to the gods. Ooh, there's a little hole in my color there. I'm going to go back in with Cocktails, that dark color. A little hole just happened. There's a little bit of fallout under my eye. So I'm going to get this Duo Fiber Scott Barnes brush. And it was just the tiniest bit of fallout, just teeny tiny. I'm going to take this Tarte Gold, and it is in Top, I can't read it, it's so tiny. It's in Top Yacht, and it is a chrome paint. I'm going to pop this in the center of my lid. Oh, and that brightens it right the hell up. Fantastical. I love this. I got this in some box, and I was like, I didn't love the box, but it had this in it, and this has come in handy so many times. Oh, I forgot to do my brows. What kind of crazy lady am I? No eyebrows. Side ponytail, no eyebrows. What am I, from Kentucky? I am from Kentucky. But it's okay. I live in the city. It's not like I live in the cultured part. There's a lot of culture in Kentucky. I'm just a city folk. I have lots of friends that are country folk, and they are lovely as well. So let's do some eyeliner. We're going to use the Star Gem Cosmetics liner in black. It is super black. And you guys think that that I do my eyeliner so easy. It just looks easy. So I've done it a bunch. Once upon a time, I promised an eyeliner video. I never did it. Maybe I will one day. One day. I don't know if I can teach what I do though. It's like some people are teachers. Am I a teacher? I'm not so sure. Ooh, and I've got some green lippies I can use to go with this. Oh. And this is the Dark Star mascara from Pat McGrath. And I've been using Lash MD eyelash grower serum stuff, and it's really already working. My lashes are much longer than they were a couple weeks ago. And you can also, if you don't have like a lot of brows or something, you can take the eyelash serum and put it where your brows are if you want to grow some more brow hair and get some brow hair back. Let's see, I've got two green lippies. I think this is too light, just looking at it. It's Jeffree Star. And then I've got this one, which is khaki. Is it called khaki? Karma. And it was a special collection. Yes, sir. I've been waiting for an opportunity to break this out. I think it looks pretty good. I know this video ran a little long, but I think it's totally worth the wait. I have this fantastic olive look together. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.